हम आर्मी यूनिट का थोड़ा नाम ऊंचा हो और आपका नाम ऊंचा हो।
Azad continues his long journey, passing the newly constructed Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium at the Goa University complex on broad paved roads. The site was recently used to host the International Film Festival in November.
He practiced 4 to 5 hours daily in the morning, and he told that now he is quite comfortable in breaking the previous record of Abdul Halim of Bangladesh, which was 15.2 kilometers.
He has now covered 10 kilometers and he is nearing completion of his first lap.
I am sure that he is going to not only break this 15.2 kilometer record, but will go much beyond and cover this distance what he is aiming for. I wish him all the best.
Azad takes the first U-turn at the Goa Medical College Bambuli and easily completes 12 kilometers at the first lap. To the enthusiastic cheers and applause of his colleagues, and he has started walking towards Donapol. Like many others who have supported Azad in his quest to victory, the Goa Traffic Police have also lent their support in achieving the victory target of 15.2 kilometers. The earlier record of 15.2 kilometers had been set by the Bangladeshi national Abdul Halim at the Bangabandhu National Stadium at Dhaka on October 22, 2011, balancing a football on his head. Abdul Halim walked on the smooth tracks of the Bangabandhu National Stadium without any outside disturbance. At this point near the Goa University, Azad Singh has covered 15.99 kilometers in 2 hours, 57 minutes and broken Abdul Halim's record. The beauty of this victory is that Azad has walked on the streets and has achieved this magnificent feat. His entire walk has been covered non-stop by the camera team to record this historic moment for posterity.
I hope that he will be able to cover 43 kilometers mark. Minimum he will be covering 43 kilometers for his deed, and we wish him best of luck.
He has once again reached the Donapola turning. The general public have gathered to cheer and wave him on. Despite the office-going crowd and the heavy traffic, Azad Singh continues to walk and he's totally focused on the task ahead.
His dedication and his sincerity towards whatever work has been given to him is by far in excellent category, and I consider that he is a clear epitome to all the soldiers who are here as to how a JCO, a junior commissioned officer, should be.
As time passes by, the heat rises up, making Azad stop to hydrate himself with water, handed out by his ever-supporting colleagues lined up all along the route. Even as Azad refreshes himself, momentarily stopping, his journey, recorded by the camera, continues without a break and without a stop. crossing 30 kilometers, Azad is still alert, never looks tired, and his energy levels is still up, never flagging. He has now reached the U-turn at Donapola. This is his third lap at about midday. Azad has now covered 32 kilometers. Azad is aware of what is going on about him. After he crosses 32 kilometers, he never forgets to cheer our camera team. The searing hot sun blinding him in the eyes, the dust, the vehicle pollution and even exhaustion has not stopped Azad. He concentrates on his walk and remember, he still has the football on his head. He keeps walking towards his goal. His enthusiasm is still high despite walking for over 5 hours. The final lap awaits. After taking a U-turn at Goa University, Azad has now covered more than 34 kilometers and has started walking towards his new record at the final stretch. After the Limca Book of Records achievement, Azad has now firmly kept his sight on the Guinness Book of Records, of walking the farthest distance with a football on his head. On this, the final lap. From Donapol, as he moves towards Miramar, the crowds have grown bigger and so have the lines of vehicles. Azad has reached the popular Miramar beach circle. After having travelled across Donapol, Karanzale and Miramar, local cameramen, journalists, bystanders jostle each other to record this eventful happening. And now, only 3 kilometers are left from Miramar to the finishing line. After having walked all this way, in a few kilometers, Azad will touch the red tape. The celebrations have now begun. Marigold flower petals are being strewn on the roads. Live music urges Azad near the finishing line. To the applause, the cheers and the good wishes of overjoyed colleagues and other well-wishers. The red finishing line has now been finally reached. And Azad joyfully poses for the cameras. This long walk, which commenced early this morning at 5:50 am, was completed by 2:30 pm in the afternoon. Success tastes sweet. A toast on this wonderful achievement in the distinguished presence of Colonel Vineet Bhatia and the Vice Chancellor of the Goa University, Dr. Satish Shetty. And finally, the ball is symbolically removed from Azad's head by the Vice Chancellor. I'm sure Azad felt a bit lighter. He is felicitated by the Vice Chancellor and receives a citation and award for this incredible feat, and it's a proud moment for Azad, etched forever in the history books. Azad thanks the Indian Army and all who supported him on this historic occasion.
सबसे पहले मैं इंडियन आर्मी को धन्यवाद दूंगा जो आज मेरे को ये मौका मिला है, और मैं फिर ये 2STC को भी धन्यवाद दूंगा, और जो ये सारे आदमी आज अपना टाइम निकाल के आए हैं उनको भी मैं बहुत बहुत आभारी हूं। और आगे मेरा एक और गिनीज बुक का रिकॉर्ड अभी आगे करूंगा, मैं साइकिल पे फुटबॉल रख के चल रहा हूं।
He doesn't stop there. He immediately announces that he will try for another world record. His supporters and well-wishers are as excited as Azad himself, as they have also been a huge part of Azad's long walk.
जो सुबह स्टार्ट किया था वो 5:50 से स्टार्ट किया था, और मैं जब स्टार्ट किया था तो जब ये यहाँ से मीरा मार्ग और डोनापाला के बीच में बहुत बढ़िया मौसम था और आराम से मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं हुआ। और जैसे ही मैं ऊपर डोनापाला से यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ गया तो वहाँ मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम भी आया, और क्योंकि हवा तेज़ चलती है तो हवा तेज़ चलने से क्या है, फुटबॉल को बैलेंस करना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है। तो मुझे वहाँ बहुत दिक्कत हुई थी, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने उसको कंट्रोल किया। ट्रैफिक भी बहुत था, तो क्योंकि ट्रैफिक का भी है, और जो यहाँ के गोवा पुलिस है उन्होंने भी मेरे को बहुत साथ दिया। मैं और भी चल सकता था, मैं कम से कम 10 या 15 किलोमीटर और मार सकता था। बीच में एक चाय पिया तो एनर्जी आ जाती है, तो चाय पी के मैं और भी करता, लेकिन ये जो मैंने ये किया है, ये मैंने 45 इसलिए किया कि ये 43 ये विजय दिवस था इसलिए। अगला मेरा इवेंट जो अभी मैं एक गिनीज बुक का अगला एक और इवेंट करने जा रहा हूँ वो है साइकिल पे। मैं साइकिल पे फुटबॉल लेके चलूँगा, कम से कम 110 या 150 तक। 150 का मेरा अनुमान है, 150 की मैं प्रैक्टिस करूँगा, और ये नया रिकॉर्ड होगा जो आज तक गिनीज बुक में नहीं हुआ है।
Azad has started practicing for his next record of cycling around 150 kilometers with a football on his head. We wish him the very best on his next adventure, with many more feats to achieve. The all-conquering hero. May the light forever shine on him, spur him on, and may all his dreams come true. A new story has just begun.
You put a shot, you have a light, you do the same things, but the way to the end result is a little bit different.
Okay. Are you looking forward to doing something with India? A collaboration, some Indian actors in your movies?
Listen, I would love to. I would love to do collaboration with a lot of countries, really. It's an adventure. Really, it's an amazing adventure to do a movie which involves another country, another culture, another language. And right now, it would be very unmodest to say I can do it with India. I don't know this country now.